All right, continuing our coverage of the preliminary hearing of Donthe Lucas for you now. Day 2 has wrapped up. Lucas, the prime suspect in the disappearance and suspected murder of Kelsie Schelling. She was last seen more than 5 years ago. News 5's Lena Howland live outside the courthouse for an update on the testimony we heard today. Lena.
Well, after 5 years of no answers, the judge will make his final decision on if this case will head to trial next Thursday afternoon. Now, they had a lot of evidence to get to today from 2 more investigators, in addition to the 4 we heard from yesterday. Now, this included text messages between Kelsie and Lucas in the days before she went missing, Kelsie's medical records proving she was 8 weeks pregnant, along with an ultrasound shared with family, and cell phone data showing both of their locations based on cell phone towers. It proved there was never a time when Lucas and Kelsie's phones were not overlapping in the same cell phone areas. The FBI agent presenting this data also said there was a 4-hour window of time that both phones were unaccounted for and didn't ping any cell phone towers, meaning they have no idea where both phones went for that window of time. Kelsie's mother believes that is when she was killed.
How far could she have been driven away from Pueblo in a 4-hour period? You know, that's always in the back of my mind. As far as that quiet time where there was no cell phone activity, no pings being recorded, 4 hours is a long time.
The lead investigator of this case from the Colorado Bureau of Investigation openly said in court today he believes Donthe Lucas lured Kelsie down to Pueblo after finding out she was pregnant and murdered her by strangulation. Her body is still missing. Now, News 5 will be back in court next Thursday afternoon, hearing to closing arguments and listening to the judge's decision on if there is enough evidence for this case to head to trial. We will let you know what happens. Always watching out for you, Pueblo. Lena Howland, News 5.